morning, guys. Well, today I'll be showing y'all a very realistic day on what I eat, tracking my smart points on Weight Watchers, okay? As y'all may or may not know, I am a busy mom of 3 kids and they are home doing virtual learning. But baby, we still got to try to get these pounds down, okay? So after I check on these kids and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing, I'm going to go on in here, girl, and try to get breakfast. Now, this might be TMI, but it is my time of the month. I'm like hella hungry today. I'm not going to front, but we still going to try to make good choices. So let's break out the Jimmy Dean Delights and get this day started. So I had some leftover ground beef that I made for my kids last night because they wanted tacos. So I decided today I'm gonna go ahead and make me a taco salad, or kind of like a cross between a taco salad and some nachos, because I'm going to make my own nacho chips out of these low carb tortillas, which I'm gonna show y'all, and it's like super easy. So yeah, I had a taco salad nacho. That when I showed y'all my vitamins in this video, that I only showed y'all 2. I showed y'all my iron, and then I also showed y'all my vitamin D. That's because I ran out of my my women's one a day gummies, right? Really what it was I was trying to try these. Be grown up, right? And not take a gummy for my one a days. But baby, these is nasty and they make my stomach hurt. I'm about to go run to Walgreens and get me some more one a day women's, the gummies. I don't care, call me a kid. And I like to go actually read the label. I want to make sure it has enough iron. I'm like really anemic, y'all, like severely anemic and vitamin D deficient. So on top of my multivitamin having vitamin D and iron in it, I also take separate iron and vitamin D just to make sure that I am getting the optimal amount that I need for my body to run properly. Okay. Iron does a lot for your body, y'all. Iron does a lot for your oxygen level, your cardiovascular, like, yeah. And vitamin D, if y'all didn't know, does a lot for your mood. Honestly, if you have noticed that your mood has been off lately, or that you are feeling down and depressed and stuff like that, you might want to get your vitamin D levels checked, sis, because it has a lot to do with your mood. And I'm not telling you what I heard, I'm telling you what I know. All right, so snack time. To be honest, I just felt like eating a damn loaf of bread, okay? But I said, no, Ashley, don't do that. Just go and grab your bagel thin and we'll work with the bagel thin. So I just went ahead and got some cream cheese, honey, on this bagel thin and have me some popcorn on the side because, like I told y'all, it's that time for me. And look, I'm just trying to do the best I can, girl. All right, y'all. So yes, I did just DoorDash some Chipotle for dinner. I don't know, girl. I guess I'm feeling spicy today because I had Mexican for lunch and Mexican for dinner. So yeah, but I got this steak burrito bowl and we're gonna rock with this for 17 smart points. So y'all, I couldn't quite figure out what I wanted to eat like right before I went to bed for a snack. I ended up just getting some fruit because it's 0 smart points and I had already ate the Chipotle. So yeah, y'all, every day is not going to be perfect. I wouldn't consider this a good eating day at all, but I did stay within my smart point goal. So yeah, y'all, thanks for rocking with me, man. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll holler at y'all.